Hey guys, this is Super Beefy, and welcome back to another episode of Tornado Survival, where I am going to be surviving with tornadoes involved. So, last time we left off, I kind of built this house here. I think I might turn down the sound though, because it's kind of annoying. And why is it on peaceful? Why is it on peaceful? I I don't know why it's on peaceful. I don't know. So yeah, let's rock and roll. So I did when I was going through the get back here, chicken. When I was looking back through the footage on the last video, I saw why I was getting dehydration from the water, and that is because it is salt water, which can do that. And so I did some research, and apparently I actually have to like smelt the water bottle. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this chicken smelt. Okay, stop it! Stop hunger. No, bad. I really need food, like a lot. And I also changed up some of the tornado settings for the mod here. I made it so minimum days between tornadoes. Let's see. Uh, so let's see. I let's see. Storm, tornado, minimum days between tornadoes. I put at 2. So in the same day we can have as many tornadoes as spawn. So that's kind of nerve-wracking. That is very, very kind of nerve-wracking to possibly have tornadoes. So, and I was gonna die. Fine, I'll go and make a sword so I can kill you guys easier. Yeah, that's why I've been getting dehydration. And this water here seems to be safe. And my thirst is going down still. Yes, I do see that. I'm gonna have to like get like a chest full of food, or not food but water, so I can have that on hand if I get thirsty. So let's see. Whoa, I don't like those noises. I really don't. Let's put that in there. I know I won't be able to make it because and I won't make iron swords because I'm gonna save my iron for sensors and sirens, which you can craft. Actually, I can. Let's see, where are they? Right here. No, right here. Tornado sensor and tornado siren. If you haven't played this mod, obviously you wouldn't know. But if you have, if you haven't, there you go. I just showed you. And if you have, don't pay attention to that because you already know. Yeah. Okay. Go. And there we go. And there we go. And wow, there's a lot of chickens up here. Girl. Girl. I want chicken. I want chicken. Actually, I haven't had chicken for a while. Maybe I should have that for supper tonight. Who knows? I should. And if you can hear that, just now, my neighbors are outside. They're having fun in the pool. So, in their pool. So, their kids at least are having fun in the pool. So don't mind them. They shouldn't be too loud. Just in case, though, if you, later in this video, if you do hear them, just be aware that they are there. And I don't want to record at like 11 in the afternoon. So, because I'm going to be sleeping then. Just collecting food for right now. Collecting food. Today, I'm going to build a house as well in Minecraft here. I think it's going to be an underground house, I think. Not in the side of the mountain where I live, but truly underground. Not too deep underground, because I don't want to spend like 5 minutes walking up to the surface just so I can get out. And I want to go. You know, that should be enough for right now. Yeah, no, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Leg. A little bit of leg. Really? You know what? I'm gonna put that in there. That in there. And I will take a look at my... Oh! That's why it's kind of laggy. Is my thing goes on far. Okay, so I'm gonna place some stuff in here. Actually, how many do you make those? Flippers. Where flippers? What mod are you in? Flippers. You guys are probably staring right at them and being like, "Oh, but it was on the last page." And then I'd feel derpy for not realizing that. So, you know what? Flippers. How do you make them? Uh, no recipe? Did I find like a rare item? Probably not. But you know, why not? Wow, I've got a lot of fairly useless stuff right now. I'll put that. Iron in, coal in, that in, feathers in. Actually, TNT can stay with me. That should be good. And I want the water as well, in case I start getting thirsty. I just realized I have flippers on me. Woo! Yeah, flippers. I think they give you a boost when swimming. I'm not sure, though. I could try. There we go. Whoa, lag. Okay. Actually, no, this spot right in here. If I were to just dig a stairway down. But you know, yeah. Maybe right here. Yeah, right here and right here, because then there's two. Yeah, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. Except I'm gonna move just a little bit back. Let's see, right about here, say. And I kind of need flint as well, so I can light off this TNT. Because I'm gonna be doing some blasting. And the unfortunate thing is that I don't have grab. I don't. Go. And the good thing is if I'm down there, even if a tornado should come over, it shouldn't do a whole bunch of damage on that house there. Should. Okay, well, I'm digging. This is gonna be kind of... alright, yes. Enviromine mod. Why? I'm gonna have to put supports up in my house now. Yikes. It should be fine, though. I shouldn't have a cave-in. I want to be well below the stone level, though. Because the tornadoes can't pick up stone. So maybe, like... yeah, maybe a little bit deeper than that. I just don't want to cause a cave-in. Or maybe a tornado to cause a cave-in. That would suck. I can hear the wind. It's picking up. I'm not sure if you guys can either. There we go. I've got torches, so I'm going to light this up a bit. So I don't cause a block update. And there we go. And I'll just dig in a little bit. And yeah. Should have a nice house. How far can... Okay, so not... And that could suck. Okay, so that's... Actually, I'm getting kind of thirsty. Water bottle. Knock that back up. And let's go refill it. And music. Minecraft music. There we go. Because I can just add in my own music if I so wish. And good, it's a water bottle. It's not a stupid old... It's not a salty water bottle. Which is apparently a thing you have to worry about. Let's go fill these ones up. So, thunder shower. Hopefully you don't come. There we go. Water, 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 water. Checking. Are we safe? Oh, we're safe. Oh, that's perfect, actually. And nice. Perfect. Okay, that's good. We got a large supply of water, and it's becoming nighttime, so let's go and sleep. Then I guess. Come on. Let me sleep. Sleep. No? No sleep? No sleep? We should be able to sleep now. Yeah, there we go. New version of Biomes of Plenty. I do have that mod installed. I just didn't want to play on it, I guess. I don't know. Dumb excuse if you'd ask me. So, let's head out and... Actually, I want to find some, I kind of want to find some, flint. So I can possibly get some flint and steel. Because that will make clearing area out a lot better. Find the way out. There we go. Perfect. I'm not sure if flint... Or not flint, but gravel spawns. Well, I should. Let's see. Boop. Oh no, there we go. Come on. You know, that... There is a chance. Come on. Come on. Come on. Actually, I think there's a better chance. There we go. Got it. Don't need to worry about it. Ooh, there's iron over there. Let's go collect it. Let's go collect it. I'm pretty sure you guys, or some of you guys, were like, "Oh, Super BV, there's iron in the last episode," and I was like, blah, 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 being a derpy derp. And up we go, up we go, up we go. There we go. No, yes. Block updates. Oh, okay. That kind of gave me a heart attack. I saw the trees over there, and I thought it was a tornado coming this way. But then again, yeah. And as far as this debug, when you debug info close, there are some particle blocks. I wonder if... Okay, so I've been questioning this. Guys, in the comment section below, in average Minecraft, how long between storms should it be? Or how long till a storm comes? Or how long until something storms? Something or whatever. I would like to know that. I would really like to know that. Yeah, you know what to do, guys. Information in the comment section below, because that would be very useful in dealing with that, because I want to know. I'd like to know. How long between tornadoes is it? Questions. Questions are being asked. Actually, that can go down. So I'd like to know. I'd like to know the possibility of when I should expect a tornado, possibly. And of course, if it like starts raining, I'd like to be at the surface at least. Oh, but then again, if I'm in a cave, I won't be able to see what's going on outside. I might not live down underground. I might continue shaping this mountain away a little far bit. No, I don't think I will live underground, because then I won't be able to have any way of seeing a tornado, and I'd like to see one. If one does happen, I would like to be able to watch it from a safe place. So I'm just gonna cover that back up, or this up, covering up. What causes that noise? I think it's dungeons, but go grass and in we go. Like, I mean, like, there we go. No, I could even like dig upwards from here. Like, I can like make like a staircase up here to like a higher level. I just don't want to hit dirt. Dirt is a no-no. Yeah, see, I've hit dirt. I've hit dirt, which is bad. I don't want to be hitting dirt. And where is it? Go. Ooh, lagging just a bit. I apologize. Oh, but then again, I can go down. Instead of going up, I could go down. That's a possibility. Let me just cover that up, because I don't want it to be damaged by a storm. And you know, that could be interesting. But I want to be able to like see or watch a tornado, because that would be kind of cool. Let's go out, and I need more cobblestone, because I really don't want my house to have cobblestone covering on it. Or not covering, but dirt at all. It could be kind of bad. And there we go. The usuals. Clock in the background. Ugh. Whatevs. It's all about the whatevs. I could totally like build downwards a bit. Build like, and heck, actually, you know what? I could even like go this way. Go this way a bit. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I could also go that way as well. Oh, this could be great. So let's see. Here we go. Ooh, this cleared out a nice, not bad spot. Now I could Go this way. Lag! Hurley, stop it. Nobody likes you. There we go. And right here. There we go. And we have like a smaller area down here to work with. Now let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. No, this will work. And I could fill this in with that there. I could even go ow. And then here as well. Boom. Haha. We're making a nice little area down here. I also want to expand out there a bit. Let's place some torches down, because it's getting kind of dark in here. We just get rid of some of this here. Because knowing me, it needs to be symmetrical. If you know me well, it needs to be symmetrical. So that can go there. That can go there. And stone pickaxe. Go. Whoa, okay, lag. Settle down. Oh, hey. Cool. So I can make more torches. There we go. I kind of want to blast out some of this in here. So let me do that. Perfect. And boom. Ha 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 ha. Perfect. Alright, that's nice. That is nice. Okay, just gonna fill in some of this here. Ooh, sounds like it might be getting kind of windy outside. I've got the debug though up. I shouldn't have that down though. Maybe I shouldn't have it down. Close. Nope. Debug and shoot close. There we go. There we go. Ah! Still kind of laggy a bit. There's coal on my roof. At least. And you know, we can use the cobblestone to make a watchtower in case anything does come around. Oh, plans for days. I missed that. Yeah, no, I'm not sure why my computer's being so laggy right now. I apologize for that, guys. Guys. Yeah, guys. Sure, why not? I'm just gonna mine up this coal. Gonna mine this coal. Gonna mine this coal. Gonna mine this coal. I'm not sure why I'm singing at all right now. I don't even know what tune this is, but I'm gonna stop. Oh yeah, it's nighttime. It's nighttime. And I'm working on my house. Oop. He 3, hit up the F menu, or the hotkeys. Because YOLO. No. No YOLO. No carp diem, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Lag! Stop. Settle down. Settle down, lag. Just burrowing into the roof of my house. My house. Yeah, that should be fine. I might throw in some extra stuff at top. Maybe some stone bricks. Or whatever. That, you know, that could be cool. That could look cool. But then again, I'm not really going for, oh, what looks cool and what doesn't. I'm looking for what will stop a tornado. What will be protective against tornadoes. And what won't be. And I know stone is. Stone and stone bricks are immune to tornadoes. Which is good. Tornado protection is key. Strengthen stone. A reference from the a reference to Mike7439, if you don't know who he is. You know, this could be kind of cool. Let's see. You know, I'll worry about that coal later. It's not really important as of right yet. Okay, lag. Frame rates. Stop it. Stop it. 8. Let's see. So I need to... Oh, okay. 3. Yeah, I kind of like it 3 high. How about you guys? What are your guys' opinions on this little base of operations? That there. That there. Actually, you know, this can go up one more, because... And also, I should also remove this dirt from the floor as well. Oh, really? Ugh. I'm not dealing with it. I'm just going to continue working. And storing the waters. There you go. That'll be fine. For the time being. Also, I should make an infinite water source as well. Just in case, like, if something does happen. Like, I mean, it won't rip up the actual water, or get rid of the water, if a tornado should come around. Oh, wow. Just look at the mini-map. All those red dots are monsters, or mobs. Just saying. There we go. Gonna start removing the dirt from the floor. I should also make some more sticks as well, so I can... Oh, that's right. You know what? 3. There we go. Making 4 each. Yeah, that should be fine. Oh! I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but my computer was like... Not really like that. You know, I'll use the... Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, that scared me so bad. Okay, hold up. Let me go and... Actually, let me turn my sound down. Oh, that's loud. There we go. Because I don't want to deal with it right now. Zombie, what do you want? You're so annoying. I hope you realize that. There we go. I'm gonna continue clearing up this dirt here. All this dirt. This stupid dirt of stupidness. Oh, do you know what I could do too? Oh, I need to go mining for redstone. So I've got an idea of what I can do to stop the stupid old zombies. Except I'd want to do it. Zombies. I know you want to eat my brains, but my brains aren't for sale today. Not yet, at least. Maybe when I'm like 80 or 90, they might be. Okay, stop it. Stop misclicking. Ugh, you're lagging. So... Lags. Lags. Okay. Okay. That. Okay. I want to like offer. You know, maybe I can just do it down here. Like I can have like a kitchen area. Maybe like a farm, an automated wheat farm or something like that. I don't know. That could be cool if it were to happen. I'm just gonna eat. Oh, it's okay. That's beautiful. I like that sound. It's becoming nighttime. Kick me into the... Yeah, that's right. Burn, zombie scum. Burn. Still no tornado yet. I'm really not looking forward to the... I'm really not looking forward to it. The time when the tornado just moves through this area. Stop it! Why do you kick me into the... Just watching that creeper. Watching it. Get home. Get home. Just get home. Okay. Next on the agenda. You know, making a watchtower could be pretty cool. It could be actually really cool if you did it correctly. Then you could totally watch a tornado. You could hear the sirens and be like, oh, tornado. And then be gone. You could be downstairs or up in the watchtower with easily. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do, guys. So at this point right now, I think... I'm not sure. I think I might end off this video here for the time being until I can get a better idea of what to possibly build in later episodes. It's been a short episode for my standard. I usually just record for like an hour or more. But first, furnace, so I can place down there because I'm gonna have like some furnaces down there. Maybe some I don't know, I think this might be the kitchen area. I might have like a little room here. And I could pretty much do that too. I can make little rooms down here. So let's see. Let's see what I could do. No, I think for now, I think I might end the episode off here. But yeah, if you liked this video and want to see more, you should totally subscribe to join my awesome channel here. And it is summertime here, and I'm in fact on summer vacation. So I have more time to record because it's been really hectic. It's just been crazy busy for the last couple of weeks of school, which means that I didn't have any time to record. But now that I'm on summer, I do work this summer, so videos will have to come later in the day. Yeah, that's pretty much it, though. If you like this, obviously, go ahead and subscribe for more Minecraft Awesome. And even Pokemon Awesome. Which reminds me, if you do like Pokemon, and if you are excited for Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, which are coming out in November of this year, I'm gonna, and if you are interested, I'm gonna be doing a live stream. I'm not sure when, so don't make something up, please. I am gonna be live streaming the entire day on Pokemon Ruby or Sapphire. I'm gonna live stream it all day. I will I'll live stream it for the entire day. It will be a whole day thing. Actually, it'll probably be longer because I'm going to beat it in a single day of live streaming. Or more, like I might go into the night as well. But I will beat it in one single live stream. So look forward to that. Look forward to that. I know I'm just standing around being a derpy derp as I explain all this to you. Link to my Twitch in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, you know what buttons to press. I'm not going to list them off for you. At least, yeah. Because I feel like that's kind of annoying. Going to restore my water energy there. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. This is Super BV, and I'm signing out.